For the second time in a week, NASA aborted an attempt to launch its giant, next-generation rocket ship, citing a stubborn fuel leak that the space agency said could delay the debut mission of its Moon-to-Mars Artemis program by at least several weeks. The uncrewed test flight, aimed at launching the capsule out to the Moon and back, was to have marked the inaugural voyage of both the SLS and Orion a half-century after the last lunar mission of Apollo, forerunner of the Artemis program. The countdown was scrubbed after Kennedy Space Center technicians made 3 failed attempts to fix a large leak of supercooled liquid hydrogen propellant being pumped into the rocket's core stage fuel tanks, agency officials said. The initial launch try on Monday was likewise foiled by technical problems, including a different leaky fuel line, a faulty temperature sensor and cracks found in insulation foam. "We're not going to launch until it's right, and that is standard operating procedure, and will continue to be," NASA Chief Bill Nelson said at the briefing.